Hello, my name is Siddharth Satyam and welcome to our tutorial on the Hades software package. Hades is a program which allows users to design digital circuits. The program is portable, free, and easy to use. In the first part of the video, I will discuss how to build a basic AND circuit. In the second part of the video, my partner Diego Martinez will discuss how to build a more complex circuit. Let's get started. Let's right-click within the grid, go to Create, I/O, and I-pin. This is just a basic input. Let's right-click within the I-pin and go to Copy and place it on the grid. Let's right-click again and place an AND gate. To do that, we go to Create, Gates, and then AND 2. We need an output, so let's right-click again, Create, I/O, and then O-pin. Now we connect these together by connecting the red squares. So we connect the inputs like so. And we connect the output the same way. Now an AND gate works only when both of the inputs are on. Thus, only if both the inputs are on, the output is on. So if only one of the inputs is on, then the output is not on.
Welcome to part 2 of our video. Again, my name is Diego Martinez, and today I'll be teaching you how to build a D-latch. Let's get started. First, we're going to need 2 inputs. So let's create 2 I-pins, place one there, and place another one there. Next, we're going to need 2 NAND gates. So let's place an AND gate there, another one there. We're going to need 2 more. Let's place that one about the same alignment. Let's place it there. Alright, let's start. Before we start connecting, we're going to need an inverter. So let's go to Gates, and we'll select the small inverter. Place it there. Alright, let's start. So let's connect this input here. And then let's connect this input there. And we'll hook that up there. Now next, we'll go to wire. You're going to click on the wire. And then we're going to press Add Segment. So add a segment to that wire. And then we're going to connect that to our inverter. And the output of the inverter will connect it to this. Again, we're going to click on this wire, go to wire, add some segment, and connect it to this NAND gate. Alright, so then the output of this NAND gate will connect it here. And then the output of this NAND gate will connect it to this other NAND gate. Now we're going to need 2 O-pins, so let's go to Create, I/O, and then we're going to need 2 O-pins, so let's place one there, and place another one there. Now let's connect this to our O-pin there and create this, connect that one to that one. Alright, so here we're going to add a segment, and we'll connect it to this NAND gate, and then here we'll add another segment. And then we'll connect it to this top NAND gate. And there you go. That is your basic D-latch. Alright, so finally I'm going to teach you how to create waveforms real quick. So first things first, we're going to have to go to Signals, Add Probes, Top Level, Input and Output. And then, alright, so now we have probes on our inputs and our outputs. So let's see, let's turn off both inputs. Next, we're going to go to Signals, and then we're going to click on Show Waves. And we're going to go to Edit, and then we're going to click on Update Waves. And as you can see, both our inputs are at 0, and both our outputs are at default. Alright, next, so we're going to turn on the clock. Now let's go back to our waves. And again, it should show that one of our inputs, I1, so I1 is on, and then so is I8. Both have an output of 1. So let's look at this. So let's see, I1 has an input of 1, and I8 has an input of 1 as well. And I7 and I0 have an input of 0. Now let's turn on I0, and now our input of I7 should be on. So again, let's go here, update waves, and yep, I8 went to 0, I7 is now 1, and both our inputs are 1. And that is basically how to create basic waveforms for your circuits.